October PropTech video. I'm Shelly.
And I'm Lindsay.
And before we jump into it, this month is breast cancer awareness and some things that Modally is doing. We have a nonprofit called Modally Cares, and we attend a walk where we get to support breast cancer awareness, and all of the funding goes to the American Cancer Society. And we are doing this in our New York office as well as our Denver office, so exciting stuff.
Yeah, so in addition to October being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, it's also Energy Efficiency Month, and fall is officially here.
Yeah.
So as the season is changing, it's important to perform your seasonal preventative maintenance, as well as ensuring that your system is physically suitable for the transition from cooling season to heating season. So today I would like to cover a few essential tips that should be on your HVAC preventative maintenance list for fall, for preventative maintenance and energy efficiency purposes.
Sounds great. Where should we start?
So you should start by changing out your air filter. Not only is it easy to do, but it can provide a lot of benefits. And if you haven't changed out your air filter since summer, it's probably getting a little bit dirty, and now's a really good time to switch it out. So just by doing this, it can help with your energy efficiency, help you save on your energy costs, and prevent unnecessary stress on your system.
Sounds like a fairly easy task. So what else can we do?
So a lot of us probably don't go out and inspect our physical systems very often. And you've also probably noticed leaves starting to fall as well. So now's a good time to go out and pick up, any sticks and any debris from summer, as well as starting to pick up those fall leaves and continuing to do so throughout the fall season. And while you're doing this, it's important to also inspect your system and identify any leaks or any other damage as well. And just by doing this quick inspection and cleanup outside can help your system run more efficiently.
I can see how these inspections could end up saving you time and money in the future. So what should we do next?
So if your system includes a boiler, it's more susceptible to corrosion and leaks. So it's important to go and inspect your boiler and making sure that you don't have any of those. But if you do find any damage, then you should contact your HVAC professional and they should fix those for you. So while you're doing this, it's also important to look around your home for any leaks, checking any doors, windows, baseboards, and if you find any leaks, then to fix those with caulking or weather stripping. And just by doing this, it can really help with your energy efficiency, as the warm air isn't just leaving and escaping through those leaks, and you won't have to run your system as hard to maintain that ideal temperature.
Makes sense. It gets very cold here in Colorado, so we want to make sure we can keep our hot air in through these very fixable cracks and leaks.
Yeah, exactly. So one of the last things that you should do is to shut down your AC system for the season. And one of the best ways to prepare yourself for future seasons is to go in and clean your compressor with a little brush and vacuum. And this can help set you up for success and keep your energy efficiency.
I love it. Thank you so much for sharing all of these tips and tricks for the fall season. And please tune in next month for another PropTech video.
Thank you.